Alright, I just got another Zippo, and this one is a nautically themed Zippo. We'll take a look at it. Alright, now this Zippo comes in the normal Zippo black box, made in the USA. It's a genuine Zippo, and it's labeled the Scrimshaw Ship. Nothing collectible about the box. Here's the Zippo. It's a chrome bodied Zippo, and it has 4 plastic plates on it. That's where the inscribed Scrimshaw. This is plastic, so it's not real Scrimshaw. I believe real Scrimshaw is made out of whale teeth or whale bone. It was carved by sailors. This Zippo was made in, let's see, that's September of last year, September of 12. And because it's got those plates on it, it doesn't have a really great sound, kind of muted. But it fires up good. It's a good Zippo. This is a good collector's item Zippo. And you can see that on the front, it's carved with a ship, an old sailing ship, and a lighthouse. A few birds up there. Pretty good Zippo. Not a great sound, but it's a nice collectible. And that is going into my nautical section right above the yellow submarine and next to the Titanic, with Jaws over to the right. See, that's a pretty good addition to my Zippo collection. Knucklebomb.